Happy birthday, Sarah baby. God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to Sarah baby. Happy birthday to you. God bless. God bless. खुश रहो, जीते रहो। बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिन आए, तुझे हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू सारा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हंसते खेलते रहो, हंसते खेलते रहो। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू संतोष कुल, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Hey Sarah, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you, and we all love you, love you, love you, love you.
Hey guys, as you know, this day is very special for our family. So let me wish you all one by one. First, let me begin with Sarah. Sarah, wish you very, very happy and beautiful birthday, so-called sweet 16. And may God bless you always. Loads of love, lots and lots of happiness your way. Enjoy your day. Love you. Now, Chachu Chachi, Mitu, Anu, may your love for each other grows leaps and bounds with each passing year. And may God bless you both. Now, मम्मी बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको, और आपका हाथ हमारे सर पर हमेशा हमेशा बना रहे। आपको may God bless you with vibrant health and lots of happiness, lots of love. Love you all, guys. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sari. Happy birthday to you. God bless you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Love you, beta.
Hi Sarvi, hi Dadi, hi Chachu and Chachi. 20th May of course is a very important day for all of us. So first of all, happy anniversary to Chachu and Chachi. Happy birthday to Dadi. Happy birthday to Sarvi. I wish we could have made this day together, but of course due to pragmatic reasons we cannot. That being said, God bless all of you. We love all of you. Normally we would want to celebrate this in a much more grand fashion, but then again, due to the situations around us, that's not really possible. But to Chachi and Chachu, may you have many many happy years of togetherness. To Dadi, may you live thousand years. May you always have health. May you always be happy. And to Sarvi, may you be successful in whatever you do. May God bless you. May you be happy, wealthy, successful. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye bye guys.
मेरा प्यारा बच्चा, God bless you, lots of hugs. Your all dreams come true, my dear बच्चा.
Happy sweet 16, Sarvi.
God bless you, Sarvi.
Happy birthday, Sarvi.
Happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सारा, खुश रहे और एंजॉय कर।
हैप्पी बर्थडे दीदी, हैप्पी बर्थडे मिसेस संतोष कोल।
हैप्पी बर्थडे दीदी, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद।
विश यू गुड हेल्थ एंड हैप्पीनेस।
एंड सारा बेटे, आपको भी हैप्पी बर्थडे की बधाई हो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर सारा, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू लवली कपल मित्तू एंड शूल।
विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी मैरिज एनिवर्सरी शूल एंड बेटा मित्तू, खुश रहो।
Hope your next 10 years are more happier than your first decade together. Love you.
गॉड ब्लेस
Love
यू।
you. God bless you.
Hey Sarah baby, here's wishing you a very very happy birthday. I wish you wonderful times ahead, great career and great friends and a great life. I've seen you grow from little Sarah Bubu to this Sarah baby and then to this Gawar and now to this young elegant girl. I wish you all the best and I always love you. God bless. Happy birthday माँ, आपका आशीर्वाद आपका साथ हमारे साथ हमेशा रहे। आप हमेशा स्वस्थ रहो, खुश रहो और हमेशा हमेशा हमारे साथ रहो। गॉड ब्लेस यू मम्मा, लव यू, बाय।
Happy birthday, Sarah. Happy birthday. Lots of love. I still can't believe you're 16 now. I still remember the day when I saw you first time. Your big twinkling eyes, your smile. I treat you as my friend. For you, it's like Chachi and Sarah, but for me, you are a little girl. Stay blessed. Have a happy year ahead. Stay strong. And I know you are a strong girl, but stay blessed. Love you. Happy birthday, Ma. We all love you. We always need your blessings today and always. Stay happy, stay healthy, and thank you for all you have done for us. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Didi. Wish you a wonderful happy birthday and a good life and loads of happiness. I prepared a song for you. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, love you. Happy birthday, Daddy. You're the best daddy in the whole world, and you're so cute, you're so sweet. Happy birthday once again.